Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Welcome back to a brand new episode. Today, I want to hit you guys with a Holy Grail sneaker unboxing. The plug came through, dropped off a pack. I've never had this sneaker in my collection before. I've never talked about it. I've never showed it on the show. So I thought I'd drop you guys off a brand new banger and hit you with a Holy Grail sneaker unboxing. Before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button, make sure you slap that notification bell. That way you'll be reminded every time I drop a new video because I drop consistent content. If you're new here and it's your first time watching, welcome to the Shoemanati Show. If you're a regular and you always pull up, salute. Shout out to the whole Naughty gang and everybody who pulled up as soon as I dropped this video. Drop gang in the comment section. And of course, shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. Wakanda forever. With that being said, let's get right into this Holy Grail sneaker unboxing. I'm excited about this, guys. You know how we do, man. It's the Shoemanati Show. Lego. It's grown, bitch. You know the vibes, man. So the sneaker guys blessed the kid with something else, man. I was able to scoop these up for a really good price. The plug came through. The plug been acting up since we going into 2019, so he ready to just start helping me drop bombs on you. Time to really pump this channel up and go in a completely different direction and just go harder for the new year. I feel like I've been slacking a little bit, so it's really time to step my game up and go hard. And this sneaker is an example of me kicking ass and taking names going into 2019. So let's open these up and let's check these out, man. When I say Holy Grail, I mean Holy Grail, guys. We pulling out the OG Air Jordan box. If you know what this box is, then you know this is a true OG because it's been like over 10 years since Jordan Brand has been using these boxes. So let's take this out of the brown box and let's check it out and let's see what it is. We got the OG Air Jordan box. The official name of this sneaker is the Air Jordan 13 Retro. The official colorway is black varsity red, white, and vibrant yellow. And the official retail price on this sneaker when it was released was $160. So this is the Air Jordan 13 Playoffs, guys. The Playoff 13, like I said, I've never had this sneaker before, never showed it off, never had it in the collection. So let's open it up and let's check them out. Bam! Like, guys, that leather quality is still super immaculate and superb on this. Even though this pair is super old, still looks really good. Leather quality looks great. Craftsmanship looks amazing. You got predominantly black leather and suede upper. This is an Air Jordan 13. Of course, you got that black cat paws on the bottom of the outsole, black midsole, black upper. You got your cat eye at the back of the heel with your Jumpman in the inside. Of course, you got your Jumpman logo in red with your yellow circle on the top of the tongue, black laces. Just a clean sneaker, just a clean Grail. It's been a long time since this sneaker's been retroed. I think it actually might be time for Jordan Brand to retro these again. Hopefully we'll get a retro of these in 2019. But this was the Air Jordan 13 Playoffs. Let's take them both out of the box. Let me know what you guys think about this sneaker. Do you have this sneaker in your collection? Would you like to see this sneaker get retro in 2019? I definitely need those Flint 13s in my collection, but I wouldn't mind seeing the Playoff 13 return as well. This is a sneaker a lot of people have been waiting to add in their collection. It's very rare you get this. This sneaker's only been retro maybe once or twice, so we definitely need to add these to the collection again. But I'm glad to be able to give you guys an early Holy Grail unboxing of these. Glad to be able to have these in hand again. Shout out to the plug for always coming through and lacing me up and giving me a chance to just continue to give you guys new material and drop heat on the channel. So this was the Air Jordan 13 Playoff unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up on this video. Follow me on all my social medias, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat. Follow me, I'll follow back. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
Even with the highs, the best of times, golden vibes, you can't hide what you're going through. underneath vanilla sky.
Is it sad that I'd rather hustle?
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.